Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Rio5 LX Plus trim level. That big green sticker in the upper right hand corner says the car is qualified under the Kia Canada Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out the features and benefits of that program for yourself. Coming around the side of the car, really nice little Rio, silver in color. Sign on the window says Sirius XM is on, which means that the car comes with a 3-month free trial of Sirius XM radio. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. It's traction control. Has 11,845 kilometers on it. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls, as well as Bluetooth. Sirius XM on the radio. Car has a backup camera, climate control, auxiliary USB ports as well as a charge port. Has heated cloth seats in the front as well as a heated steering wheel for your comfort. That driver's seat is height adjustable. In the back, plenty of room for people back here. Very comfortable car to ride in. That's also a 60-40 split seat. So those will fold down to give you more room to carry cargo. In the back, you'll see a cargo shelf there. You can plenty of room for storing groceries, hockey bags, any other sports gear or outdoor equipment. And also with that shelf, as the door comes down, the shelf also goes down and keeps your stuff safe from prying eyes. With those seats folded down, there's a big cargo area back here now, but when you fold those seats down, the cargo area gets even bigger. So this 2018 Kia Rio5 is located at West Coast Kia. We invite you to come down and take the car for a test drive. Best way to make an informed decision about any car you're considering is to drive the car, bring the family along, see how well the family fits in the car, see how well the car fits into your lifestyle. We're West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday and Saturday, 11 to 5 Sunday and most holidays. And we're not very far from anywhere, about 20 minutes. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. Come down and see us.